Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I am here to show you my new releases for February. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the freebie that's going to be included in all orders from this point onwards for February. So this is a 3.5 by 2.25 inch sheet on premium white matte paper. And you get 5 deco stickers, the swatches, the circles, and then a couple icons and the to-do script. So that goes with every order. The first collection that I'm going to show you is for St. Patrick's Day. This is the Lucky Mood collection. And I feel like what I'm trying to do for every holiday, or at least every season, is to try to, you know, a comfy sweater or something to do with that holiday. And I really love the way that these look. I love the ink, or the inks that I used for these. It's very fitting for St. Patrick's Day. So you can either purchase them as a full collection or a la carte. So this is the deco sheet, and these are printed on clear matte, but you can also purchase them in premium white matte. Then you have the matching dots and swatches, the matching circles, and then the ink splatters. So that is the Lucky Mood. The next one is writing desk, and it took me a while to figure out what I wanted to call this because I already have a journaling collection and already have a desk collection. So I thought, why not writing desk? I really wanted this to look like a flat lay of a desk. So you've got my plant, you've got a a gold or brass clip there, the journal, the pen rest with the inks, and then the fountain pen, an envelope with papers, some sticker sheets, an ink bottle, an ink sample, and coffee. And I mean, I love the way that it looks. It's not perfect, but I love the kind of rustic messiness of this whole collection. So then we also have here the deco, the matching dots and swatches, the circles, and then the ink splatters. I love the combination of the ink splatters. What I really try to do with the ink splatters is combine the 3 main colors and make sure that they all stand out, but then I love when they combine to create like a unique mix of ink. So that is the writing desk collection. The next collection is the Champagne Rose Doodle. So it took me a while to come up with the name of this, but in the end I wanted to use the word champagne and rose, and I created, actually this is the 4 sheet collection, but then there are supplements to go with it as well. So you've got the deco sheet, and these are individual square stickers which were with doodles on them as well, and these are painted with fountain pen ink, and the inks that I used for this are Wearingeul, the Nightingale and the Rose, Robert Oster Rose Gold Antiqua, and then I used Sailor Ink Studio 273. And then, I mean, obviously they're going to scan a little bit differently versus the way that I have them on watercolor paper, but I love the overall effect. So those are the doodles. On the squares, you've got then the matching dots and swatches, the matching circles, and then the line leaves as well. So that is the collection. And then if you wanted to purchase the ink splatters on top of it, it is the additional. So you can either purchase the large ink splatters. And the reason I chose this collection to have the large ink splatters is because normally my collections come as a 4 set, and then I realized when I created this, I'm like, oh, I actually have 5 sheets. So I thought I'd offer the ink splatters as either a small or a large. So that is the Champagne Rose Doodles. And then last but not least, we have the Lucky Bloom. So I really wanted to use the colors for St. Patrick's Day, more golds, more yellows, more greens. And I really like the way that these turned out. These are a little bit lighter. So you, if you're going to use them on a cream background or a cream paper planner, these may not show up as much, especially if you're getting them on the clear matte sticker paper. But on a regular white matte or a regular white planner, this is actually going to stand out really well, but it'll look like it's been painted in your planner. So those are the deco. Then you have the matching dots and swatches, the matching circles, and I love these, the ink splatters. Because of the inks that I use, the way that they combine makes it look like they're a little bit more pink. So I love the colors of this collection. They're still very much in line with St. Patrick's Day, but they're a little bit more muted. So I'm really excited for these Lucky Blooms. So those are the 4 collections that I will have coming out this Friday, February, what is it, 14th? Gosh, I don't even know what day it is. This Friday, February 14th, and I will be, there we go. Let's get these out first while I try to get my thoughts in order. But I am in love with all of these collections. Please let me know which one is your favorite down in the comments below. So these will be coming out this Friday, February 14th at 9 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, and you can use the code Valentine15 for 15% off from Friday 9 a.m. until Monday, February 17th at 11:59 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Now with shipping, I will go back to using Canada Post. In some circumstances, I might still use Chit Chats, but in terms of shipping updates and tariffs for anything going to the US, all of that is still being worked out, but I will update you. If you haven't subscribed to my shop newsletter, please do so, because you will get any updates to any price changes or anything like that in there. So I know that a lot of my customers are also in the US, and I appreciate every single one of you. I appreciate the Canadians who shop with me. I appreciate anyone in Europe or any other country in the entire world who shops with me. I appreciate every single one of you, and I want to do my best to accommodate each and every one of you. If you have any questions specifically about the shop or any tariffs, please email me at shopkarinalovestoplan@gmail.com. Otherwise, any questions regarding this collection, please leave them in the description or in the comments below. Thank you all so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.